Hi friends, this is 5 minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off or turn on auto screen rotation in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First of all, open any app in your tablet. First, I go to here Google Chrome. When I try to rotate my tablet, what happens? See here, screen is also rotated. If you want to stop this rotation, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the notification area. Just go to notification area and you can see here auto rotate button. Just turn it off. Already it is turned on so that when you rotate your phone, screen is also rotated. So here you have to turn off this button. Now auto rotate text is changed to portrait. So auto rotation is stopped and it is fixed in portrait position. So screen is fixed in portrait. This is portrait. Screen is fixed in this position. Now if you try to rotate your phone, screen will not be rotated. See here, I show the live demo. Again I go to Google Chrome and I try to rotate my tablet. Screen is not rotated now because it is fixed in portrait position. That's what when you turn off auto rotate, that's what it's showing. Now if you want to have the rotation, again go to the notification area and you have to press portrait button. Now it will turn to auto rotate. Hereafter, if you try to rotate your tablet, then screen will be rotated. Suppose if you want to fix the screen in this position itself, in landscape itself, you go to turn off auto rotate by keeping your tablet in this position. So I keep in this position and go to notification area and then I click on auto rotate button. Now it is turned to landscape. Now it is fixed in landscape, and if you try to rotate it to portrait position, it will not rotate because it is fixed in landscape position itself. In this way also you can change the orientation of the screen. So again I release it, go to the notification area and I click on landscape and it will turn to auto rotate. Now screen can be rotated in any direction. Yes, I rotate from landscape to portrait. In this way, you can easily control auto rotation in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.